We're making Copycat Chipotle chicken bowls. The secret is in the sauce. Let's make it together. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms know, real life recipes like this one, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. Going to Chipotle is so expensive. You can actually make 4 meals for the price of one. Here I have some cubed chicken breasts. For these, I took my chicken breasts and patted them dry. Then I sliced them into strips and then chopped them into about 1/2 inch to 1 inch cubes. You want them more or less the same size so they cook evenly. And then I put them in my bowl. The marinade is made with chipotle peppers, which comes in a small can like this. You're gonna use half of the can. The rest you can bag in a zip bag and freeze it for another batch. I added half the can of the chipotle peppers to the blender, and then some garlic cloves, some salt. I juiced a lime in there, and then I blended it. If your blender is big like mine, you'll just use a rubber spatula to mix it all around. If you just can't get it to blend, add a little bit of olive oil through the top of the blender to get it going. It should look like this. It's not a perfect smooth sauce. You want some tidbits of chipotle peppers. And then I'm just gonna pour it over my chicken. And then I'm using some kitchen tongs to coat my chicken with all of this flavor. I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap and let this chicken marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. You could do this overnight the day before. It's so easy. Lucky for us, I had some already in the fridge because I knew you were coming over. So we're gonna cook this chicken right now. Before I start cooking the chicken, I'm gonna get my rice going because I do want to serve these over rice. Now, obviously, you can customize these any way you like, just like at your favorite restaurant. To cook the chicken, you're going to grab the largest pan that you've got. Could be cast iron like this one or non-stick. The idea is that you'll probably need to cook all of this in 2 batches. You don't want to add too much to the pan because if you put too much chicken in the pan, you'll build steam and it just won't be the same. You wanna heat your pan first, and once it's hot, you're going to grease it with some oil. And then you're gonna grab your chicken pieces and place them in one even layer. These chicken pieces take about 7 minutes to cook, and I'm gonna flip them over to make sure that all sides are nice and seared. The chipotle peppers make it really hard to see if the chicken is done, so I like to go by temperature. So I take a piece out and use my meat thermometer to check that it's 165 Fahrenheit for chicken breasts, or if you're using thighs, 175. Now these pieces are done, so I'm gonna take them from my pan onto a plate. By the way, you could also cook these in the air fryer. You'd preheat it, place all your chicken pieces in an even layer, leaving some space in between. Cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes and repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Now that the chicken's done, it's all about loading up your bowl. And just like you'd go down the assembly line, I am going to build my bowl with some rice. I'm using cilantro lime rice, then some lettuce, black beans, that perfectly cooked chicken. I'm gonna place it on my bowl, some corn, Pico de Gallo, and guacamole. The chicken is so good, so much flavor in just one bowl. You're gonna love these. Everything you need, amounts, measurements are all below this video. And if this is your type of recipe, watch this one next. See you next time.